हेलो
संजना, हमने अभी तक कितने स्टोर्स पे फिक्सचर इंस्टॉल कर दिए?
सर, I'll check with the field team and send you an Excel by the evening.
That's what you said 3 days ago. Were the displays actually installed? Where are the photos? Were they geo-tagged? There has to be a better way.
हेलो।
Rakesh, how are you managing your 300 store execution so smoothly?
अरे यार, मैंने कब का एक्सेल छोड़ दिया चलाना। मैंने अब स्विच कर लिया आरवीटी में।
RVT? What's that?
आरवीटी एक्चुअली आरवीटी में ना रेकी, जियो टैग फोटोज, रियल टाइम विजिबिलिटी, ये सब इसके अंदर आ जाता है।
Wait, what? Send me the link immediately. Real-time tracking, recce report, geo-tagged photos, store-wise status, approval workflow. Why didn't I find it sooner?
Retail visibility tool by Multiplier, because your brand visibility deserves more than WhatsApp updates.